In a bygone era, in a distant kingdom, a sustainable world flourished. Here, clothing was not made of plastic or synthetic fibers. Instead, it adorned itself with natural threads like cotton, wool, and hemp. When the time came, they were not discarded but returned to the earth. Through biological processes, the fibers of these garments underwent decomposition, reverting to their original properties. The rich nutrients imbued in these filaments were absorbed by the earth, becoming nourishment for the creation of new plants. It was a perpetual cycle of rebirth, where plants generated new fibers, weaving a new chapter in the history of sustainable fashion. This story is not just a fairy tale. In reality, there is already a movement of designers experimenting with the recycling of fabrics in fashion. One such designer is the Japanese designer ATSUSHI Nakashima. With skillful dexterity, Nakashima shapes garments using natural materials, depicting a gentle and natural progression akin to the observed decomposition process over time. His clothes are soft, natural, and frayed, immortalizing an ongoing decomposition process. His clothes are a way to remind us that fashion can be sustainable and beautiful simultaneously.